how to overcome financial setbacks. Today we'll talk about 5 steps to overcome financial setbacks. We'll get right into it. Number 1, pause. Realize that this may be a clue for you to change something. Instead of seeing this as a punishment, as a curse, see this as a blessing, a sign that it's time to change. Great things happen when you pause. You start seeing things that were always there, but you could not see them because you're so busy doing stuff. Number 2, be grateful for what you already have. Not just grateful with your lips, but grateful with your heart. There's something magical about being grateful for what you already have. Before fully grasping this concept, I thought this is just something nice to say. When I started to be grateful for everything in my life, even for the little things, I start seeing massive changes in my life. For example, one little thing that I'm very grateful for is having a toilet inside my house, as I grew up having to go outside. This may be a silly example, but my point here is that even when you think that nothing is going right for you in your life, you can still find things to be grateful for. Being truly grateful for what you already have will put you in a state of joy. When you get into that state, things will magically start appearing into your life. You all of a sudden get that job offer that is beyond your expectation. You all of a sudden get a check from the IRS to your amazement. Your relative sends you money without you even expecting it. You get an idea that will help millions and millions of people. I mean, the list could go on and on. So please let me know in the comments below if you have ever experienced what I'm talking about here. Number 3, give. You may say, what are you talking about? I am struggling financially and you're telling me to give? You don't necessarily have to give money. You could give your time, you could give your message, just like I am doing now. Or you can even give money. You would be surprised how even a small amount can make a huge difference in someone's life. Giving, just like anything in life, comes back to you multiplied. I have many examples of this being true in my life, and one recent example that I actually want to share here is that somebody had done some work at my house and then I wanted to give him a tip. Instead of giving him that amount, something deep inside said, no, you should give this guy a little bit more. So I actually tipped him $20 more. The very next day, I sold an item on Facebook for $150. And mind you, that item has been sitting there for 3 months. And I thought that I'm not gonna even sell it. Do you have any examples like this? I would really appreciate if you could share them with me in the comments below. Number 4. Analyze your finances. Become aware of what is the main problem here. Now that you have actually paused, you are grateful for what you already have. You have given some. Now it's time to dig deep and see what is the real issue here. Is it you doing some impulse shopping? Is it you forgetting to pay that payment on time? The best way to know where everything is going is to use one of those monthly budgets. You could use one of those online softwares that not only would create a budget for you, but would also analyze your past expenses and show you exactly where your money is going, show you exactly the categories that you're spending the most money on. I personally use Mint and I'm really pleased with what it does. Number 5, start all over again. You're never stuck to any situation. You can always start all over again. Even if you think you messed up, that just can be a good lesson learned for you. Learn from it and move on. With a clean canvas, dream big. What do you want to accomplish in life? What do you want your legacy to be? It's never too late to start all over again. Let's recap all 5 points. Number 1, pause. Number 2, be grateful for what you already have. Number 3, give. Number 4, analyze your finances. And number 5 is start all over again. I would really appreciate your support in liking the video, subscribing if you're not already, and also share this video with someone that you think can benefit from it. Watch this next video where I show you how to start your financial journey.